I just got back from being away, went to put a wash on and was instantly overstimulated because look at the state of my utility room. Let's just take a deep breath. Thankfully, there is still one man in this world that I can rely on to do a job properly, and that is Mr. Harry Styles, because what an album. I'm just going to evict the bird slayer and tackle the robin remains with some bleach spray. But no matter how much I scrub, there is always remnants of cat food. I swear that chicken gravy is harder to shift than chewing gum, but it's no match for a bit of stiff cream and a scrub daddy. Whilst we're here, we might as well do some restocking, and I've just realised that's a completely different fabrics off here. I'm extremely tempted to throw these tools in the bin because honestly, they'd serve more purpose in that. But you and I both know that the minute I do move these tools, he's going to be like, oh, I was just about to do that job. Having a fiance who makes pizza for a living is amazing, but do any of you tradie wives fancy sending your fella around to teach my Tom some tricks? In return, he'll teach him how to make a banging margarita. There was a lot of confusion around my little laundry room, mainly because it's not actually in my house, it's a separate building. It was an old coal shed for the main building, so when I seen it, I was like, perfect, it can be my little laundry oasis. But it turns out that because I can just shut the door and forget about it for a few days, it's less oasis and more wasteland in here. I just can't keep it tidy for the life of me. Moving on to the piece de resistance, the dog shower, or what Jessie likes to call it, the extra large litter tray. People that say that cats are cleaner than dogs are liars. Or maybe my cat's just